just too friendly here, huh? But I only need to make myself go on the motorbike. Oh god, better not miss out this one.
Everyone thinks they can sing along to a hit song. But can they do it with $1 million on the line?
Boulevards blocking lanes as well. Delays away from Euclid, Riverside.
Hello and good day. So I went to the fitness center and spent 15 minutes on the treadmill and 15 minutes on 2 different jogging machines. So basically I did a 45-minute workout to rehearse for Thursday, which I'm going to be using each of the machines that I just mentioned for 18 minutes. So with that being said, I'm going to be doing a total of 54 minutes of workout. In the last couple of days, I only took the treadmill and 1 of the jogging machines. But today came that day that it's time to start rehearsing. So at some part of yesterday's vlog, I was talking about the fact that we were expecting this platform bed to arrive. So came in about half an hour ago and put it just like this. We already dealt with the other 2 beds last week. So see the difference. At least it's big enough. As you cross the traffic lights, it's because I actually tried this many times last week, and since we installed this electricity power, and it's actually even bigger than the ones that I would usually take, because as you turn around it gets a bit more narrow, so this is a bit more narrow than the one that we have passed. Look at the advertisements that they even got in here. They're putting pizzas and a taco restaurant. How crazy. So I just got the tacos, by the way. I'm really hoping I'm gonna get to show you this, but look at that. As we have finished lunch, now that handyman should be here so that we could get to put the platform and the bed on together. Worker has come. At last we have seen the motorbike, which by the way, he comes with a motorbike, and now should get ready to put the platform bed on.
12 seconds later.
And this is done. Check it out. This looks even better than my bed. And that's it. So, got that done as well. And now all 3 of the beds are in place. And what we're actually planning to do later this week, so wherever we got a couple of t-shirts, so some vacation shopping has officially started. We're also planning to get some aftershave and some perfumes. Already took care of some perfumes, and the fact that I would usually shave every 3 or 4 days, and get some aftershaves as well since I ran out. See this table standing out of the garage? That would be weird if that would be with us in our home. What we can do with all of this scrap now, yeah, just chuck it in like a basketball. Oh yeah, some slam dunk basketballing. That's how we can chuck that away. But at least that bed platform that we had put, it's actually, I mean, in terms of its shape, is a lot different than the one in my bedroom. And both of those that we got last week. Zippy 97. Well, I wish I was 97. It's just a Toyota though. We do have a, well, here we have a Mercedes and a BMW, while in Turkey, which we're gonna be returning in what will be 6 days when we get there, a BMW and a Peugeot. Now the thing is that I thought this was the Access OK sticker, but it's a JF Well Works Africa. Oh yeah, so I guess this must be for a charity or something. Some kind of sticker that suggests not to waste too much water and like keep some water for the poor, like for charity. It's almost time for another drive around Dana Harbor like we did on Friday evening. And before we leave here on Saturday, what's for sure is that I'm gonna get a haircut. I'm gonna need to get it done. So what we did was we booked a haircut appointment for tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. I need to shorten my hair, although we're gonna have like a family dinner on Wednesday evening. Still gonna get this done. Since the end of yesterday, it's kind of been bugging me every time I even wash my hair after having a swim, or even before I head to the fitness center, or when I'm just about to end the day. Yikes, what the heck? That's just scary. That is absolutely scary. It's like 3 sheriff cars. Another sheriff. I made it to another sheriff vehicle. It's a Ford this time. Oh wow.
This is why everybody's...
See that? Oh my goodness. I wouldn't want my car to run out of gas like that, especially in the traffic light. We have drove around the harbor, but this time we decided to pull over and walk around the beach. What we did the other day was just drive around the harbor. What the heck is going on with these guys? It's just too friendly here, huh? But I need to make myself go on the motorbike and pass these. Look at them. That is freaking like ghosts. I would rather have a ghost come in my room than a bulldog bite my leg. But how funny. Now I'm going to take the stairs down, and there are a few people practicing surfing. Very interestingly, it's such a strange place to surf, but they still do it. I'm not gonna lie, they actually still do. Oh my god. Oh, looks like I'm not gonna be able to go down there. Well, that's a trap, but we'll just watch it from here. And it's really interesting how it smells like chlorine in here this time. Look at that. This is my first time. Yeah, there's actually people surfing. There are people practicing surfing. This is why it's like this. Usually you would even be able to see the sand, but even that is covered in all this water. See how it goes with this. This is crazy. This is just crazy. It's the first time I've seen it like this. Oh god, better not miss out this one.
From the cave.
Oh.
How are they going to get out?
Oh my god. Yeah. They are getting out of the cave at the moment. It's gonna be hard. And after that, we'll come to the easier side. And I could see the beanstalk underwater. Yeah, fishes and the beanstalk. That looks like a beanstalk to me. That reminds me of Jack and the Beanstalk. Better catch that one. So the tail of the whale, and looks like they make some mosaics out of it too. It's even better. All right, there we go. Just made it through this. The lights turn green. Well, it's actually a lot better with the mosaic style than just plain. So we're passing through a train right now. Let's see this passing.
Metrolink.
There it is. It's a Metrolink. Yeah, it's a Metrolink train.
LINK.com.
Guess who's bringing some class and some cash to Monday? It's me, Niecy Nash, with my new show, Don't Forget the Lyrics. Everyone thinks they can sing along to a hit song. But can they do it with $1 million on the line? This is something to Whoa! Don't forget the lyrics, part of $1 Million Music Mondays. It all starts tonight on Fox.
It all starts at 8 on Fox 11. Then stay tuned for Fox 11 10 o'clock news.
This is Jacob Emrani. If you've been in an accident, call 844-24-JACOB.
Lows will be in the 50s tonight.
More abundant. Learn more at sce.com/TOU rates.
From the Southern California Toyota Dealers Traffic Center, we make it easy.
I'm Rachel Martinez. Coast 103.5 traffic. Stall in Irvine, 5 northbound Jamboree. It's blocking lanes, kind of low on details, but watch for delays getting away from the 133. And a wreck in Garden Grove, 22 eastbound at Harbor Boulevard's blocking lanes as well. Delays away from Euclid. Riverside, tough on that 91 westbound past 14th Street with a crash blocking the carpool in 2 left lanes. Delays off the 215-60. This update is sponsored by Panera. There are so many words they could use to describe Panera's new Chef's Chicken Sandwich sandwiches. But when you have a bite, you might just be left speechless. Panera, the familiar made fantastic. Enjoy a $1 delivery fee when you order on their app. Restrictions apply. I'm Angel Martinez, Coast 103.5.
Uh-oh, to the street name. Tesla? What kind of a street name is that? So we drove around Dana Point again and walked around by the beach. It was kind of a tough day there, but for now, it's time to warm up in this pool, huh? Especially as somebody that is a bigger fan of the swimming pool than the sea. Yes, boys. I don't even know how they do this dance, but yeah, I'm just thinking fun. It's that kind of dance that you would do in the mosque. I totally lost it now, but I don't even have a hat. Plus, I'm not even an expert. I'm about to get in the jacuzzi, so I turn the machine on because with this overcast weather, it makes it feel like you've been put into the freezer after you get out of the pool. It is not easy to handle, but see how this gets up. If there's any rabbits or squirrels secretly running through the bushes like leapers, leaping from one bush to another. Oh yeah, oh boy. It's better when there's being a volcano. Don't get fooled. Those are just some Mr. Different jokes that I love to make. Look at me, by the way. I've entered the jacuzzi with my slippers. It's crazy. To see how they float around. Okay, well, this one is floating much easier. Look at that. This is like a submarine. It just wanders around there like a submarine. But is it going to go into the danger zone? Well, the bowls are just moving it away from the danger zone, which I call that. But at least it's still, at least this one is moving a bit more now. So with this Skechers slipper, let's see how I'm going to do with this. All right, I'm going to start from here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, great Lord. Now the other one has gone right in there. I got to save it. Hey, you come over here, you bad boy. Oh, there we go. Looks like I saved both of them from the danger. Another Mr. Different amusement. Making my sandals float around like submarines in the jacuzzi. Submarine. Submarine. And other gypsies would really love to do that dance. But submarine, what? No, my flip-flops were just floating around the jacuzzi like a submarine, boy. See, the machine's still on, because if the machine was off, then they wouldn't even be floating like a submarine. They would only be floating like a jellyfish. How about that dive now? Yeah, imagine a scuba diver. That's even better than a submarine. Scuba divers. Well, anyway, guys, so that's almost the end of today's vlog. So it's been an interesting start to what is now our last week here for now. And we took a break from clothes shopping, which tomorrow we're going to get much more into it. And what am I going to do for Saturday? Well, obviously, I'm not going to go to the fitness center on Saturday, but I'll kick it off with one final swim around this pool. And Saturday's vlog, which will also connect to Sunday towards the end, it's going to be one of those occasions. It's going to be a 15+ minute vlog, so it's going to be a long vlog, as expected. And yeah, it's going to be a big week. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the vlog tomorrow. Bye bye.